Hello everyone, and welcome to day 18. I'm not going to forget the day today, because it's my birthday.
Dun, 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 dun.
What song is that you're singing?
It's a Fofty song.
So I'm already in my pajamas. I've already had my shower, so my hair is wet. I'm sans makeup. But you know, not looking too bad for 39.
You got a little bit of makeup on.
No, I don't.
Okay. You look
don't.
Great. You look great.
Thank you. I don't have any makeup on, you silly weird man. Okay. So up first is Revolution Makeup. Day 18. Tiny little door here. Oh.
Where?
Right here.
Oh.
Oh.
A brush.
A travel brush. That's not very exciting for my birthday, Revolution. So we've got a travel.
Why is it a travel brush?
Because it's itty bitty and it fits in your makeup bag easily.
It would take you like 4 times as long to
I know. Why you tell that to Revolution? So this is what we got from Revolution on day 18. Not very exciting. But it can only get better. Next up is our NYX Loveless Disco. It's starting to feel a little light, Jason. Day 18 is right here. It's going to be glitter. It's going to be a pot of glitter that I'm never going to use because I am 39. And I don't go to clubs. Oh, it's not.
What is it?
It's a lip scrub. Oh, I poked myself in my boobay. My Michael Bublé. Okay, so here is day 18 in the
NYX lip product
box. It's a pound sign. This is everything lip scrub.
I don't like these edgy names they give their stuff.
Well, that's what the lip gloss that we got was as well. Hashtag this is everything. Let's open it up if we can. Oh my goodness. I swear to goodness. This brand is out to get me.
You want a knife?
No.
I'll call it a knife.
That's not a knife. Alright, if you could ever get this container open, I'm sure it would be a lovely lip scrub. Oh, there we go. Oh, it smells really nice. Would you like to smell it?
Yes. It does smell
Also,
nice.
cheers! Champagne!
I like that, actually, the smell of that quite a bit.
Yeah. So let's give it a little try. It's not very scrubby feeling. Like at all. It just feels like a lip gloss.
Is it supposed to color it, or is it, yeah, it's a lip gloss. It's a fancy lip gloss.
No, it's a lip scrub. It's supposed to be, but there's no grittiness.
So you use that to take lipstick off or something, or?
No, honey.
Well, what's that supposed to mean? Just for like, instead of
You
soap?
like slough off your dead skin on your lips.
Oh.
Like when they get dry.
Yeah.
Helps re-moisturize them. And already we're at our Glossybox day number 18. I cannot wait for Christmas Day. Don't let me down, Glossybox. We got a little box for number 18. Getting down to it. 1 week till Christmas Day. Oh look, I opened it on the wrong side. Never done that before.
The way the numbering is.
Oh look, we've got a little tube. What is this? We've got an App 2 skincare healing mask. A turmeric healing mask. So this is use this mask to combat unforeseeable skin conditions and to reduce redness. Oh, perfect. So look at this. What's some red skins?
They say that's winter redness in this ad.
Does it?
Yeah.
Where does it say that?
In the ad in this version.
Okay. Tell me about this product. Wait 1 moment, please. I'm going to open it first.
Oh.
Alright, I've never heard of this brand. Oh, it's like yellow like mustard. Or like turmeric, I guess. Oh, I like that.
What? Really spicy?
No, it smells like a moldy basement.
No way. Does it?
A little bit. Smell my hand.
Doesn't smell like a moldy basement. It smells like turmeric.
Oh, I don't cook with turmeric. And I think that's why. Okay, so I'm going to guess $22.
You would be overguessing.
Of course.
Its actual retail price is $16.
Come on down. You're the
It's,
next contestant on The Price is Right.
Yeah.
I tried to think of something clever to say there. You could tell because my brain stopped working for a second. It was like, oh, well, it's kind of a disappointing birthday day. What the heck? It's like they don't know it's my birthday on the 18th. So let's pick our favorites. It's going to be difficult. Okay, so here's the exciting day that was day 18. I'm not very excited. So we'll go with lip scrub because it's the most handy. And then this nice moldy smelling healing mask.
It's turmeric smelling.
I don't like the smell of turmeric apparently. And then this little tiny brush that I'm never going to use. It's soft though. So I'm quite disappointed, Jason.
You could use that to clean the grate in the back of my computer, maybe. Where the
Oh,
fan
there you
blows
go.
all
Or you
the
like your keyboard.
Oh, yeah, my keyboard, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we found a use for it. Okay, I'm not very impressed with this day. Come on, man. It's 1 week till Christmas. Give us something good. Yesterday was good. Yesterday was all lip products, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And today your favorite item was a lip product.
This is true, because this will come in handy, because it's the winter time and everything is dry. Anyway, not terribly excited. Thanks I'll just break everything. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you have a great day, and if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, so click this button, or if you want to see more exciting videos, look down here. And I hope you have a great day. Bye, everybody.